BGI TV yìí mo fẹ́ máa wò, ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ ti ń gbèsè mo fẹ́ gbọ́, ètò lóríṣiríṣi wọ́n wà lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan, ìròyìn tó kojú òṣùwọ̀n àtàwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àgbọ́ fi kọ́gbọ́n, eré wọlé fún tẹ̀rù tọmọ tèwe tàgbà ẹ má fi para. BGI TV mo fẹ́ máa wò, òjọ̀kan ìròyìn tó kojú òṣùwọ̀n àtàwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àgbọ́ fi kọ́gbọ́n, eré wọlé fún tẹ̀rù tọmọ tèwe tàgbà ẹ má fi para. Àdànà kú kọjá mórí nǹkan fèrè, bàbá rere káwí parí. BGI TV, we are the pace setters. Bàbá gbàgede ìmọ̀ tẹlifíṣọ̀n station tí dòde.
Iléeṣẹ́ amóhùnmáwòrán tó mọ bó ṣe ń lọ, tó ní ìròyìn kọ́ńbọ̀kì tó jẹ́ yàjóyàjó, ìròyìn àti ìsọfúnni àtìgbàdégbà, àwọn ètò tó ké pọ́pọ́ filẹ̀ má yí kúò ń bẹ̀, má gbé kúò ń bẹ̀, máa jẹ̀gbádùn ẹ̀ lọ. BGI TV, bàbá àgbà ló dirí ẹwà fákòkò o. Bí ọ̀kín bá tú ìyẹ́ ẹ̀ díẹ̀, ẹwà rẹ̀ á kalẹ̀ á ká oko. Ẹ kàn sí ẹ̀ka ìpolówó ọjà wa láti bá wa dòwò pọ̀ lórí +234 70 38 22 61 60. Fún àwọn tí ń bẹ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà 070 38 22 61 60. BGI TV, bàbá gbàgede ìmọ̀ TV, ọ̀gá ni kọ́ń láwùjọ òkúta.
Bàbá gbàgede ìmọ̀ tẹlifíṣọ̀n station tí dòde.
Èmi ni aláìlúwà ọba dókítà Adédòkun Ọmọnìyí Àṣọlá Bọ́lárìn, aróyin kẹ́yè kínní, ọ̀ràngún ti ìlú Òkè Ìlá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Ẹ̀yin yan wa, mo rọ̀ yín o, ẹ máa bá mi wo BGI TV, bàbá gbàgede, olólùfẹ́ Yorùbá ni, ó fẹ́ òótọ́ sísọ, ó máa fẹ́ràn àwọn ènìyàn, ó fẹ́ràn wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ máa wo ibi tó yẹ ká máa wò ní gbogbo ìgbà, ibi tá a bá dẹ̀ ti lè ran ilé iṣẹ́ yìí lọ́wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan tọ́lọ́run nìkan wá ṣe ni. Ojú wa ò ní fọ́ o, etí wa ò ní di o, iléeṣẹ́ náà kò ní dàrú, iléeṣẹ́ náà á máa dàgbà sókè. BGI TV.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tá a dẹ̀ ń sọ ó dá lórí iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe, torí couple of years back a ti discover pé àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà, especially pé bí 3 major tribes ló wà. Àkọ́kọ́ Yorùbá, ìkejì Ìgbò, ìkẹta Hausa. Up to as we speak now, ìkan náà tribe yẹn called the Yorùbás. Wọ́n rò sí wọ́n wá ní ọdún mélòó la fẹ́ fi jókòó tí kò bọ́ sí. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ bring you to explain or to tell our viewers báwo ni èèyàn ṣe máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ilé ayé tó jẹ́ pé ńgbà tó bá ti tó ọkọ ní òun láti lọ́kọ, bá dẹ̀ tó àdá ní òun láti ládàá, but then òun láti time tó yẹ kó lọ́kọ òun láti mọ ohun tí wọ́n ń pè lọ́kọ, ìwọ́n kan máa fẹnu sọ fún. Torí ayò mọ́yé àwọn ọmọ wa bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni ẹlòmíì ò lè tan kọ̀ǹpútà because kò rí kọ̀ǹpútà rí, tó bá dẹ̀ rí àwọn tó ti bàjẹ́ náà kó wá fún wọn. Ìkànnà àwọn ìran mẹ́ta yìí wá ní kò rí báyìí nígbà tí ní 1950 something àwọn wá ń ṣoríire náà. Wọ́n wá turn around, wọ́n ní you know what, enough is enough. For 61 years and to make all possible efforts àti pé Nigerian gbogbo wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká jókòó, ẹ jẹ́ ká fix the problem yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí jẹ́. Nigeria government wá takú pé àgàgà wọn tí constitution 1999 tó favour, only you don't like it, you have to lump it. They even say openly pé báwo lè fẹ́ jáde ìgbà tí ò sí the provision in the constitution. I'm asking you this question because I know how vast you are. Àwọn Yorùbá, wọ́n wá láwọn ń lọ. Enough is enough. And Yorubas, we've taken different methods, different approach. We tried the force majeure. In order to have a divorce relationship, we succeeded in that March last year and March this year. I mean other things. But people like you, you are authentic, don't be see mushy. If my history record of you is still correct. Omo yeleja ni mushy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Mo wá rí pé irú yín pẹ̀lú capacity àti knowledge at everything tẹ́ ní, you cannot continue to be in a country tí yàtọ̀ mama jẹ yín. Torí ẹ̀yin, like Raleigh said, I'm shocked that you don't have more than one car, despite the fact that you are single-handedly with two of your friends, engaged, trained, almost about 10,000-15,000 Nigerians. I want you to be challenged. You said it yourself. I want a Nigerian man to come and challenge you. To come and challenge you. I'm not patronizing you. I didn't bring you here to patronize you. But I know, because you said one thing. Internship computer training. You only access the computer to get the modern world. Not the internet for the last 3 months. You know. You got to buy the global ship. So don't make basically mama wabo ma some way ma put together and button. So if it's why do you think Yoruba should continue to stay in a country like that? Brains and enough, resources and enough. What is your opinion? What is your take about the people who come together and say we want to leave a contracted area of Nigeria?
Ọ̀túnba.
Yes, sir.
Ọ̀túnba.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ló ń ké sí yẹn.
A ti ń wọ territory tí èmi àti máa bára wa sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ in public. Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ because relationship èmi àti lájọ́ ta ti mọ́ra orí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ni la fi develop ohun táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní mutual respect fúnra wa. Òótọ́ in the last 9 years plus, mọ́tò kan ṣoṣo mò ń wà, mọ́tò 4 ló wà nílé mi. Ìyàwó mi, mo máa ń fún mi ìdẹ ọkàn ẹ lọ. Nítorí pé kí ni, màá dẹ̀ sọ reason tí mo ṣe stick mọ́ mọ́tò yẹn. In the last 10 years, mo ti jẹ́ co-founder and principal of the most successful automotive mechatronics training institute in Nigeria. Tí mọ́tò bá kú dí mi, bí ìgbà tó mọ́ kú lọ́wọ́ Oníkọlà ni. Ó yẹ kí n fi agbára hàn pé tí mọ́tò bá kú ní dí mi anywhere in Nigeria, more than 15,000 alumni of the training school, anywhere in Nigeria, tí n bá rí ọmọ mi kọ́ tó ṣoríire tó dẹ̀ run business ẹ̀ 200 kilometer radius, mi ní anywhere in southwest Nigeria o, mi ní anywhere in southern Nigeria o, mo ní anywhere in Nigeria tí mọ́tò bá kú dí mi, tí n bá ní ọmọ kan tí mo lè pè 200 kilometer radius tí mọ́tò yẹn kú sí tó máa gbé machine tó máa sáré bọ̀, then I'm a failure. So out of choice, even when I have the options of other vehicles, mọ́tò yẹn ó máa ń dàbí tuntun ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa ń wò pé kí ni mo máa sọ fún wọn pé ẹ mọ̀ pé mẹkáníìkì ni mí ni. Mi ń ṣe mẹkáníìkì tó ń fọwọ́ tún, ṣùgbọ́n mo gẹ̀ẹ́tì as a result of the partnership tí mo ní pẹ̀lú one of the most brilliant automotive mechatronics returnees from the diaspora. I start the most respected Chief of Defense Staff of Nigeria. Ó wá pé ká wá ṣe training fún officers of the armed services. You know why tó fi pè wá? About 5 years ago, nígbà tí General Irabor tó jẹ́ commander Lafiya-Dole, commander ní Operation Theatre. Channels TV ṣe documentary kan lórí wa. Ó náà jókòó sínú commander's tent òun. Ó náà dẹ̀ ń wo channels. Ó náà wá rí pé this engineer, partner mi nìyẹn, Kunle Soneke, engineer Kunle Soneke. This engineer, the way he's talking, let's try and call channels. If we call channels, we will get them to fly to Maiduguri, and we will see some of our vehicles that are not running. America fún Nigerian army. Nígbà láwọn vehicles kan tó yẹ pé wọn ò ní resident experts tó lè ṣe wọn. So wọ́n pe producer program yẹn, community lórúkọ program yẹn ní channels. Producer program yẹn pè mí, ẹ̀gbọ́n Bọ́lá, we got a call from the commander of Operation Lafiya-Dole in the theater of war in Maiduguri and Sambisa, that they want to see your partner, Engineer Kunle Soneke. Don't worry.
Nissan Bisa.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà. Nígbà tó mo dẹ̀ Kúnlé, wọ́n ní commander Operation Lafiya-Dole ó pè wá pé òun gbọ́ ẹ lórí call channel. Ó dẹ̀ believe pé some of the vehicles wọ́n níbẹ̀ yẹn pé some of those vehicles pé a lè bá wọn túnṣe. Ọ̀tá àbá lè túnṣe ká kàn kọ́. Kúnlé, àwa la ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì wa fúnra wa, return ticket. Wọ́n fly lọ sí Maiduguri. Wọ́n wá gbé bí ìgbà tó wá gbé general. Nígbà tó gbé dé yàdí wọn, ẹ máa wo. Nígbà tó gbé dé auto yàdí wọn. Ó ṣe débẹ̀ báyìí. Ó lè kọ́kọ́ pariwo. Bóyá pariwo báyìí. Ó fún salute bí officer. Wọ́n wá wò pé wetin happen? Why don't we salute to civilian bẹ́ẹ̀? Èèyàn yẹn wá sọ wípé 4 years before pé a fún òun ní scholarship because nígbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ automotive mechatronics training institute a ní scholarship fún armed services tó bá jẹ́ serviceman Nàìjíríà a dẹ̀ ní fún àwọn mechanics tó wà lójú títì 10% of our class 10%, 20% of whatever tó bá àwọn tó bá sọ fún wa 10% làwọn fún wọn scholarship. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi bí ọba yẹn salute ẹ̀ tó dé sọ pé jẹ́nà yẹn kò wà impressed pé then I must have made a good choice. Ó dẹ̀ put wọn through fúnjọ́ méjì wọ́n jí kan náà àwọn mọ́tò bíi mẹ́rin àwọn these are vehicles America fún wọn tó fi ń jagun wọ́n jí kan ó dẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n máa get fún wọn fáwọn yòókù. Ìgbà tó bá kú ọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́nà yẹn béèrè pé òun ò lówó púpọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n níbi tó ń wà yìí as the theatre commander òun yìí lè fún up to 3 million. Èlò ló fẹ́ èmi àti Kúnlé ti plan kó tó lọ pé nígbà 60 táwọn bá fèsì àwọn Boko Haram tó ń defend àwa níta ṣe lè dúró sí Nàìjíríà nìyẹn tá a ṣe wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nìyẹn táwọn bá fèsì àwọn Boko Haram tó ń defend wa Kúnlé àgùrọ̀pá kọ́bọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn Kúnlé dẹ̀ wọ ijú ẹ̀ ó sọ fún general I'm sorry I didn't come here to make money. I came here to serve as you are serving. But boy, I was very impressed. Very impressed. I'm on to share ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Láti ìgbà yẹn, ó kàn máa bó jẹ́ just 3 months. Hello, engineer, just checking on you. Ní inú ọ̀sẹ̀, inú oṣù, kò pọ̀ oṣù kan tó fi jẹ chief of defence staff. Ó specially invite wa sí Abuja. Lobby fún náà. Ó invite wa sí Abuja. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ohun tí mò ń try láti sọ fún yín ni wípé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tá kọ́ńbì yìí náà tí many of us bá kó lọ lé ó ṣe kò ṣe 1 or 2 lives may have been saved because of one vehicle tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn tó resuscitate. Now nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ fún yín rèé ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ ibi kí wá mú wá sí orí question yìí specifically. Ọ̀túnba ọmọ Yorùbá òdodo ni mí ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà ni mí ṣùgbọ́n kinní kan dá mi lójú pàtó tí a bá lè rí constitutional review tó máa take wa in the direction of the Republican Constitution of 1963, I would rather stay in Nigeria than be out of Nigeria. You know why? I have a bigger market. Kí ló dé tí gbogbo yín majority ẹ̀yin Nigerians tó ń gbé ní UK, kí ló dé tí majority yín vote to remain in the EU? Because of the opportunities of a bigger market. Kí ló dé tí many of you feel campaign against Brexit? Because of the opportunity of a bigger market. Now, many people who see are complaining against gbogbo uncertainties tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ in the Brexit flux tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Now, the same people who campaigned to remain in the EU because of the larger opportunities of a bigger market for people who have self-worth, who are value creators, because of the frustration of the 1999 dystopic constitution. Orí bíbẹ́ wá fẹ́ di oògùn orí fífọ́. When ordinarily níbi tẹ́mi rí wípé àwa tá à ń agitate wípé there should be constitutional reform. Ọlọ́run gan ti ń gbàdúrà wa. Kí ni mo fi náà lọ́lọ́run gbàdúrà wa? Wọ́n bí Buhari re kókó as president of Nigeria kó lọ retire sí Daura. Wọ́n bí re. Wọ́n bí Buhari re kó retire sí Kaduna gan. He used to live in Kaduna. Wọ́n bí re. President Buhari wọ́n bí ya ẹ̀ re kó retire lẹ́ni kó ní Kaduna ló máa gbé. Kò ní kọjá Abuja. Abuja is the only oasis now in northern Nigeria tó ní a modicum of sanity. Notwithstanding banditry, ó ti ń wọ asket ẹ̀ tó ń gbà wọ̀nyàn. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, Katsina, ìlú Buhari, mo sọ̀rọ̀ kan fún yín lánàá, ẹgẹ́ tiẹ̀, 3.5 years ago, a former minister, London Jonathan, ó pè mí àti Kúnlé, ó pè wá, ó invite wa lọ sí Abuja, ó ní òun dá some of the biggest vocational schools lẹ̀ sílùú ẹ̀ ní Basari ní Katsina State. Ó ní ká jọ torí Ọlọ́run ká lọ wò ó ní fẹ́ pẹ́ pẹ́ wà lámọ́ wà in charge of the automotive training of that program. Èmi yìí ni mo fly lọ sí Kaduna, èmi ni mo fly lọ sí Kano tó rán ṣọ̀fọ́ driven car tó wá gbé mi láti Kano airport tó gbé mi lọ sí Katsina from about 2.5 hours. From Katsina, the following day, about 2.5 hours again to Basari, tó fi gbé mi padà. Bí iṣẹ́ ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, Basari is one of almost half of the local government areas of Katsina State tó wà under the control of bandits. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, àwọn èèyàn in majority of the local government areas of Katsina State, they will rather go and sleep in Niger Republic and come and trade during the day in Katsina. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ń bá àwọn tó ń sọ no káwọn fẹ́ constitutional reform. Ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí gómìnà Katsina sọ níjẹta àbí jẹrin ni. Ó ní òun support pé káwọn èèyàn máa ra bọ́. Pé kọ́ máa ra bọ́, kọ́ máa sá mọ́. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ń bá wọn sìn. On or before 2023 or immediately after 2023, they will beg for a constitutional reform to take in the direction of the Republican Constitution. 1963.
Abro, let me say this because of time, and like I said, the producer of this program wants to go and meet his pastor and our member at church between 12 o'clock and to take a flight to the next year. So I'll remain in much time, but let me quickly ask you one more thing. Two are very, very important to me. I am one of the people campaigning for Yoruba Nation actualization. And yes, you have already told me that you'd rather be this or be that. But the exact thing I want to ask you, are you saying that the people who are now agitating, who are campaigning, I don't use agitation anymore. I want on campaigning. Are you saying to us or saying to them? They don't know what they are doing?
I'm not doing no for a campaign for secession or agitate for secession.
Campaign, yeah, for actualization.
In a federal entity, this side combine law, secession in political terminology.
Yeah.
You are political science. You are a graduate of law. I get it. I'm a dilettante of political science. So anytime I'm on in political compromise building. Tí pendulum yẹn ò bá swing from one extreme to the other, kò ní sí middle ground. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń campaign or tẹ́ ń agitate ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń agitate for separation, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń agitate for secession, oore lẹ ń ṣe Nàìjíríà. Mo rí lẹ ń ṣe Nàìjíríà lóore. It is becoming obvious to àwọn tó wà complacent pé the present order tí ò ní èrè fún anybody, including there is a video clip tó ń flow around this thing tí alàgbà Bọ́lá Ìgè of blessed memory tó ní ó ní ìyà tó jẹ Ìgèchukwu ní Òkè Mẹ́sì. Ìgèchukwu lókè Mẹ́sì ó máa jẹ súlẹ̀ Kàtàngórà. Ó dẹ̀ ń jẹ súlẹ̀ gan Kàtàngórà sìn kó ṣe pé ó máa jẹ súlẹ̀. So èmi salute courage yín more so because en assert right yín to natural freedom in an environment tí ìjọba ti fundamentally were disrespectful of the rule of law. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi mọ ilé ìmọ̀ aṣọ síta. I never liked Sunday Igboho until ìjọ kan tí mo jí ní àárọ̀ 1 July morning tí mo jí tí mo kà wípé Sunday Igboho's house was attacked, his properties were vandalized and human beings were killed in his house. Láti jọ́ yẹn ni mo ti subscribe to celebrating his heroism and ẹ̀dọ̀mọ̀ wá. Tí initially tí mi fi gba Sunday Igboho, how could the Yoruba race from the celebrated intellectual acuity of Obafemi Awolowo move the point to we could see the intellectual vibrancy of the Bola move to a point where we could tolerate the moral laxity and the social excesses, but the intellectual vibrancy of Moshood Abiola? How could we have gotten to the point where Ọ̀nà Gani Adams lẹ́yìn ìyẹn tó tún máa overtake Gani Adams kò tiẹ̀ lè fojú fìdí ìgbọ̀wọ́ kò mọ̀rọ̀ sọ anybody ló lè bú kò ní ìwà tí Yorùbá. But you know what? From the moment I attacked his house, he became my hero. But kí n sọ tòótọ́ fún yín tí Sunday Igboho bá jáde lẹ́ni I'm gonna go about it. Not about it. Because the Yoruba people, more than 50 million across the world, have been too blessed. Kò yẹ pé Sunday Igboho ní máa tò sí tó bá ń sọ Yorùbá. But it's the Yoruba hero. In the circumstance to find that he never asked for it. He never asked for his right to be abused. He was only asserting the fact pé òun láti protect àwọn èèyàn. But having said that, ibi tí mo jókòó sí, in so much as I will celebrate the heroism of the likes of Sunday Igboho, to people like you, to others who are assertive Yoruba rights seekers. I see you people as fundamental rights seekers. And you lè campaign, mo lè máa tí sí tí máa kàn fẹ́ exasperate yín tí máa pè yín ní secessionist. I get you. But you are fundamental. Sorry, you are fundamentally right seekers. I get it. And that's why I'm saying pé mo rò pa no abijeta la sọ̀rọ̀. Mo ní I would rather line up lẹ́yìn bàbá Bánjí Akíntóyè. You know why? Bàbá Bánjí ẹ wo nǹkan tí Yorùbá ṣe about 4 days ago. Ẹ wo the launch of Pajawiri. He speaks to where the Yoruba race is on the face of the earth now. Because as we speak, in London B, many of our Omowa, they are code writers, they are programmers, they are bankers in the city, they are this thing. So somebody like Baba Bánjí Akíntóyè, I can identify with him as my leader. But you see, the fundamental predisposition to abusing rights, all the Sunday Igboho di hero lọ́dọ̀ mi. But originally, I never, because Timbakaleni, one obu eyokan, obu Adeboye, obu Oni, ope kini, o ma tún lo fẹ́, o tún fẹ́ ní àwọn alliances, o lọ ní alliance pẹ̀lú Fẹ́mi Fani-Káyọ̀dé. I just said,
Gbọ́lọ́ba. Well, again, like another thing, there's so many comments on the chat box here. And like you and I have had this discussion before, we'll very repeat. The role tí Bánjí Akíntóyè play is not the same role from Sunday Igboho. Baba Bánjí Akíntóyè is the national leader, and his deputy is also a nationalist. But I can say to you for free, and I said to you also, just to wind down, nígbà tí I need the and to my dúró fún wa tó máa ṣe àgbàgbà pé this is not acceptable. The only we have the Wole Soyinkas, we have the governors, we have all of them. Even while we have my assistant governor níbi tí gbogbo wàhálà yìí ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. But as it is, it was Sunday Igboho. On the land tó bá dúró ti nígbà ṣòro báyìí, wọ́n máa ń ṣòro waiver where you just don't treat them anyhow. And I'm happy to hear from you. One of the reasons is not totally written off, but and I also want to say Sunday Igboho did what he did, not because he wants to be prime minister or he wants to be governor or he wants to be anybody. He stood up against injustice, tyranny, and that again, any which way it goes, that story will never go. Yeah.
Ṣẹ̀rí àbá òwe ìláyé ni Yorùbá kí àwa tó dá kẹ́yìn tó dáyé káwa tó tẹ̀lé rú yìí ni Yorùbá ti máa ń sọ pé nítorí wèrè ìta la ṣe ní wèrè ilé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Wọ́n á ní nítorí alágídí ìta ni wọ́n ṣe máa ń ná alágídí ilé. Ṣẹ̀rí kò sẹ́ni tó lè take the courageous conduct of Sunday Igboho ní moment tí ó lọ sí area ẹ̀ tó lọ carry out kò sẹ́ni tó máa take away. But mo sọ fún yín ní àná, mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín ní ìjẹta wípé factually you are wrong. Tẹ́ bá ní kò sẹ́ni tó dìde kí Sunday Igboho tó dìde. Factually you are very wrong. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mo reason wọ́n sọ pé you are factually wrong ni wípé èmi àti àyàn operate in the sphere of journalism to help facts must be respected. Àwa ò tí move into the Trumpian age. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, before kí Sunday Igboho tó dìde on a live radio show tí mo máa ń ṣe every day in Lagos, I was one of the voices. Apart from irú àwọn heavy people, irú àwọn Wole Soyinka, even Bola Ahmed Tinubu at some point was forced to speak in that direction. Tó sọ wípé Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn was constitutional. Nígbà tí Minister of Justice Nigeria ní kò wà constitutional, I then sọ fún wípé it was constitutional because it was a necessity to protect our people. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, the facts are in the public space. You only say research here, just in the Google search. Lẹ́yìn yẹn, before kí Sunday Igboho kó tó lọ sí after tí wọ́n pa his relation, a returning Yoruba entrepreneur, agricultural entrepreneur in his ancestral area. Koto Paman here, in very, very disturbing circumstances. So they go to lobby. Some of us have been asserting we pay Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn should start operations early. I get it. All these facts are in public space. Now, before Sunday Igboho tó lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn, subsequent to the murder of that gentleman, Gani Adams, who you know me ní love lost fún, I get it. Mushin ní Gani Adams ti dàgbà ibi tó ti bí mi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo ti ń kọ́ṣẹ́ kápẹ́ńtà. Èmi
ti wá sílùú òyìnbó kí Gani Adams kó tó tẹ̀lé. So mi mọ̀ one on one, but mo mọ̀ àwọn tó mọ̀ tó pè mí lẹ́gbọ̀n. Torí èmi ò jìnnà síbi ibi tí wọ́n ti bí mi. I get it. Mi ní political ambition no. Mi lọ́bẹ̀ nítorí pé kíní o. But you know what? Even Gani Adams, Ìbà Gani Adams, ó ti dépò àgbáǹsì, ó ti fi pò ju urúwa yìí lọ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. At some point, ó kó àwọn èèyàn sẹ́yìn. Wọ́n lọ ṣe reconnaissance in the wilderness from Badagry to Yewa to Ọ̀yọ́ náà, Ìbàràpá area. So I'm sitting here, mo dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ a blatant abuse of facts by our people nítorí emotions. Bí ẹ pé Sunday Igboho nìkan ló jáde. No, òun ló ṣe jù ní. Òun ló dẹ̀ put federal government in an embarrassing situation. So we tell wípé federal government in the typical way, especially under a president who is not a respecter of the rule of law.
All right. Bala, let me use the last 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Like I said, my producer is about to shut down the studio because of his, you need to go to church. And so I have a question lọ́wọ́ àlejò wa ẹjọ́ ẹ̀sà ìnáwó sókè ká fún yín ní àǹfààní kẹ́ lè béèrè question lọ́wọ́ Gbọ́lá Ọba. Fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé, Gbọ́lá Ọba is one of the very few Nigerians that he will vouch fún pé he studied here, he's into journalism, into media. He's never a blogger. He went home and succeeded in creating opportunities in 2 different areas. One of them, I want to talk about mechanic. He has taken mechanic business to higher level. You can Google it. And also, he started the building and construction educational level. Today, more than almost 50,000 or more, or 20,000 people have been trained. And he has not changed his posture. He remains who he is. And I know you. I'm very proud of him. I'm saying it here. Like he said, time will judge in another 10 years. When you can join one, time will judge. In another 30 years, I'll be sitting on programs. And I'm always confident. Judge. Adé obìnrin àbádé ọkùnrin.
Adé obìnrin lẹ́yìn ẹ kálẹ́ o.
Ẹjọ́ 2 minutes. Ẹ má bínú torí time. Torí 2 minutes. Ẹ béèrè question.
Ẹ kálẹ́, mo kí yín o. Alàgbà Gbọ́lá, mo kí yín. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun. Nípa ọ̀rọ̀ olóyè Sunday Igboho tí ẹ mú ẹnu lọ bá yẹn, wípé kì í ṣe Sunday Igboho nìkan ló ṣe àbá ò lè ṣe sọ. Tẹ́tí wá lọ refer back sí Gani Adams. Èmi lérò pé ikú àtorun ni ṣá. Ikú àtorun lè fi ohun tí olóyè Sunday Igboho ṣe kẹ́ fi wé Gani Adams. Kò possible. Èyí tẹ́yìn gbọ́ yẹ kí ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló gbọ́ tí bàbá yìí dìde from nowhere wípé ẹ má pa àwọn èèyàn mi láyé ṣe pé bóyá èèyàn ní intention àti pé mo fẹ́ gba nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kan tó ká ẹni yìí ní ara. Fani Káyọ̀dé tẹ ní ó lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ kí ló wọ́n ní inú òṣè ṣíwò wọn sí ìlú yíyí olóyè Igboho sínú Fani Káyọ̀dé wò láti mọ inú kan ni bàbá yìí fi ń lò ló fi ń kó gbogbo èèyàn mọ́ra. Kò tí ì sí ẹni tó ṣe ẹni pé èèyàn kan ṣe Sunday Igboho ẹṣin tó bá ti ṣíwájú ó ti gba first. Olóyè Igboho ti gba first no matter ohun tí Gani Adams tó lè tó lè jẹ́ olóyè Ìgbòho ti gba fọ́ọ̀sì yẹn ó ti gbà mọ́ lọ́wọ́ jẹ́ nípa ti ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ mo mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà lẹ ti wá and ó dẹ̀ níwọ̀nba ihun tẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ dé because no matter what kó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ iṣẹ́ tí ń fúnra ilẹ̀ ń ṣe àwọn èèyàn kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ní darapọ̀ mọ́ ọ̀hún tá à ń sọ yìí mi ò sọ pé bóyá ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn àbí nǹkan kan o but ọ̀nà ọbẹ̀ nìjẹ́ mímu yín wà so ẹ lè fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nípa tí olóyè Sunday Igboho tẹ́ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má fi wé Gani Adams Gani Adams ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan láì jẹ́ pé ibi tó bá ti máa rí jẹ.
ẹ ṣe mà.
ẹjọ́ sá ẹjọ́ fún mi níṣẹ́jú kan.
ẹ ṣe torí time ni.
ṣẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá rí ti bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ tẹ́ sọ yẹn tẹ́ tún wá lọ mú ẹnu kan bàbá Bọ́lá Ìgè kò sí anytime tí n bá ti ń gbọ́ orúkọ bàbá Bọ́lá Ìgè yẹn mi mọ bí ara mi ṣe máa ń rí nípa wípé last week tí Koiki gbé sórí kinní tí mo wò tí wà lọ research tí mo tún lọ ka gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe because 20 years ago tí wọ́n kú yẹn mo lọ fọ́lìdé nílé mo wà ní ìlú Ìbàdàn níjọ́ tí kinní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan mi ò fi taratara mọ tó jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ because mo ti kúrò nílé fi ṣe kinní but nǹkan kan tó máa ń jẹ́ kára mi ṣẹ́gìrì tó dẹ̀ ìwà ní ọpọlọ mi tó ń pa mí ní ẹkún ni wípé àwọn bàbá tó ìwà ní ayé wọ̀nyí Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ máa bí wọn mo bá wọn lọ sí patí ó dàbí pé ìjọ́ kejì tí wọ́n pa máa yìí àbí the following week tí wọ́n pa bàbá yìí ni mo wà ní sáàkù ibi tí àwọn bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ jókòó sí pẹ̀lú gómìnà nígbà yẹn bàbá Ìṣọ̀bà wọ́n fi tó bá jẹ́ bí irọ́ kan gbé gbogbo nǹkan síta kan fi búra ó dẹ̀ ń fi kí náà ti ń pè é wọ́n fi bàbá Bọ́lá Ìgè ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ but peter tí mo yìí gbọ́ mọ́jú àbí láàrin wíìkì yẹn pé wọ́n yìí tí ì sin ẹni yìí kẹ́ so ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ yẹn ó move mi pé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pa tó ń sọ ìlọrin arábí ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ fi ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹni tó lọ́wọ́ inú ọwọ́ bàbá yẹn àti àwọn tó bá sọ pé tó bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ọ̀wọ́n máa mú wọn balẹ̀ ni tó wà ní jẹ́ kí Yorùbá rọ́nà lọ àbí kọ́ wọn tó bá fẹ́ dìde láti gbèjà mẹ̀kúnnù tó máa fi ìyọ̀bọ̀kẹ́ tó máa fẹ̀jẹ̀ sínú tutọ́ funfun Ọlọ́run á ṣèdájọ́ wọn yálà lọ wọ́n wà láyé wọ́n wà lọ́run ni wọ́n lọ ní tọmọtọmọ wọn Ọlọ́run àwọn tí ò bá sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ alánú gbé wọn mì ẹ má bínú bàbá.
àmín ẹni sùúrù
ẹjẹ sáré ẹjẹ fún mi 30 seconds ẹjẹ sí 30 seconds ẹ dára mo sọ lórí ìjókòó yìí ó dẹ̀ wà rìkọ́dẹ̀ mo ní wọn bí Buhari re kó rìtáyà lẹ́ni kó rìtáyà sí Daura mo ní wọn bí Buhari re kó rìtáyà sí Kaduna ó ní mo bẹ̀rù bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ta ló Ọbásanjọ́ bọ́ mo ní ẹ̀kẹ́ńtà kan ní bísíǹsì mi ní about 2 months ago tí díẹ̀ kan wá tó ní ó nítorí pé ọmọ kan ní nǹkan pẹ̀lú òun á pe BBRO mo ní kò ní dá fún Ọbásanjọ́ èmi Mushin wọn fi orí ìlànà sí Mushin ẹni tí mo bẹ̀rù lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run sí Ọbásanjọ́ sẹ́ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní diaspora tẹ́ ń ja ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà Yorùbá Oòduà ẹ máa fi facts ẹ máa contextualize facts ẹ ń sọ fún mi pé ẹ tó yẹ sí tó gbíwájú ní first lóòótọ́ Boris Johnson bó ṣe jẹ́ force láàrin àwọn conservatives about 1.5 years ago yẹn tó fi tọ̀ wọ́n jẹ what is his rating náà láàrin wọn I am too journalistically knowledge to know wípé èèyàn kan lè reign for a season ẹ mọ̀ pé there was a time even in Yoruba land that Abiola tó eventually was a hero ẹ mọ̀ pé there was a time tó yẹ pé he was a villain in Yoruba land ni ẹ wá sọ fún mi pé èèyàn kan nítorí pé he is the rep of the moment alàgbàdé arábìnrin alàgbàdé ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run tírúwà ìbá sọ̀rọ̀ we are speaking from a pool of knowledge Ọbásanjọ́ tani Ọbásanjọ́ tani èmi àti yín àwa ń jẹta èèyàn kan béèrè kankan lọ́wọ́ yín pa Ọbásanjọ́ kí mo sọ fún yín pa Ọbásanjọ́ abẹ́rẹ́ pẹ́sọ̀ mi jàre kẹjá lọ sí orí nǹkan tó máa bless àwọn audience yín Ọbásanjọ́ àbí ó wà láti Nàìjíríà kò lè á ní ọ̀lẹ́bù mo ní Buhari wọn bí Buhari re kó retire sí Búdáwúrà ó ní mi lè fún ẹ̀.
Merciful God.
ọmọ pé bí wọ́n ṣe nílẹ̀ láti gbé lóyìnbó lèmi náà nílẹ̀ láti gbé lóyìnbó mo lè bú anybody mbẹ́ tó bá ní mi lára máa padà bí bó jẹ́ ọdẹ ni màá lọ́dẹ ṣe lẹ́ni ṣe.
Merciful God, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ìbéèrè yín, the last one, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí time. Bí ẹ ṣe sọ pé àwọn kan lè bẹ̀rù ẹnìkan, àwọn producer tiwa a lè bẹ̀rù tí wọ́n á kàn.
Ẹ káalẹ́ sà.
Ẹ ṣé mà.
Yes sà, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ sà.
Yes ma, I go straight to the point.
Àwọn dáàdì wa tán ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ látàárọ̀, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sà, ẹ káàbọ̀. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ ibi yín ni pé sà, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ sọ ìtumọ̀ education fún mi torí ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé kò yé mi dáadáa. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé gbogbo àwọn tó wà educated ní Nàìjíríà gbogbo wọn náà rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ. So mo wá ń rò ó sà pé bí nǹkan àwọn èèyàn wà educated ṣé ó yẹ kó fọ́ wọn lójú ni àbó yẹ kó di wọn létí kán má rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ again sà ni pé there was too much killings. Àwọn àgbẹ̀ ò lè lọ oko mọ́, àwọn ìyá wa tó ń bọ̀ látoko àwọn Fúlàní á rape wọn, kò sẹ́ni tó dìde. Ṣé education àwọn professor àwọn doctors and the elite ṣé wọn ò rí gbogbo yẹn ni? Ṣé Tinubu ò rí ni and many other politicians ṣé wọn ò rí ni? But Sunday Igboho nìkan ló dìde sà, òun ló dìde ìgbà tó dìde pé no, enough is enough. Tẹ́ bá lọ sí comment, I wrote a lot of things.
But
oníkan la rí sà.
Bóyá òun nìkan lẹ́yìn aláàdúgbò
àwọn ẹ jẹ́ kí n finish sà. Òun là wá rí àwọn tó kù àárí wọn, òun ló sọ pé enough is enough. Òun ló support wọn bí tó ní kán má pa wá mọ́. So education shouldn't make us to be stupid. Education shouldn't make us stupid. Ó yẹ ká rí nǹkan tó ń lọ.
Merciful, ẹ ṣé mà.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
Ẹ̀mọ́ tó múlò mi dùn, Yorùbá, a ní kíní kan tọ́lọ̀ fi kẹwàá, aláìkí ká di òdodo mú dájúdájú, ẹ má bìlíìfù Gbọ́lá Ọba, nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí, ẹ kàn Google àwọn date tí attack ṣiṣẹ́ Yorùbá land. The following day, ẹ wo front pages àwọn newspapers tó jáde ní Nàìjíríà, kẹwo yẹ àwọn èèyàn tó sọ̀rọ̀ tó yìí, kẹwo nǹkan táwọn ẹlòmíì ṣe. There is a BBC recording bí ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó show Wọlé Ṣóyínká tó ní ibi tó ń dé pẹ̀lú ọjọ́ orí òun agbébọn òun àtẹ̀lé. So tí n bá jókòó bí tí n bá ń gbọ́ pé èèyàn kan nìkan ló dìde, ó dìde, we have to celebrate him. But pé òun nìkan ló dìde yẹn is factually wrong. And tí nǹkan bá ti wà factually wrong, it creates your to my defeat eventually.
Oh, okay, a quick one. As a journalist and a media person, can you listen to the response if you da Sunday Igboho dúró tán release tí ó ṣe nǹkan? Final question.
Republic of Benin.
Yeah.
It's a connivance between the Nigerian government and the French government using a power, the power of the connivance on the Beninois government. Kí ni Benin government? Gbogbo economy Benin tó economy old Muslim local government tó ti bí mi. GDP Benin kò tó 15% of the GDP of Lagos State. So ó yẹ kẹ́ ti mọ̀ wípé tí Nigerian government bá ń breathe on the president of Benin, tí French government don't breathe on the president of government, mo tó ṣe mú bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn illegally síbẹ̀ nìyẹn, gbogbo wa mọ̀ yẹn. But you know what? Because orí òdodo àti self-preservation ló bá débẹ̀, ó máa gbẹ̀yìn wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ gbẹ̀yẹ jáde. Ìyẹn dodo nìyẹn. Yorùbá believes in natural cause. That is why nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ìgbà tẹ́gbẹ́ sìn foreigners dé Christianity àti kìíní lẹ stigmatize Èṣù. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá Èṣù is a deity tó máa ń fight for natural justice. Gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá gbójú burúkú wo Sunday Igboho fighting for what he's fighting for the right of his people. Gbogbo ẹ̀dá yẹn lè súnmọ́ jẹ́ yà. Because it's on the right. So if it's more to see, I get it. I will never take away his heroism, but I will never join those of you who are in the diaspora who want to perfect facts and chronological facts. All
right. Well, Muslim, last question. Say, because where somebody like you stand, say any reason tí ayo moye àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n wà Nàìjíríà náà fi support wa.
Báwo ni? Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, mo sọ kíní yẹn fún yín rí in private, má dẹ̀ sọ fún yín ta, and this is a public land based to you. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, 95% of genuinely born Yoruba people are natural supporters of Odua nation, in whichever this thing. Either they want Yoruba nation to totally succeed out of Nigeria, or indeed, a pronounced degree of autonomy in the direction of 1963 Republican Constitution. 95%. I just talking here in private. Model reproach politely. That is actually wrong. I move around. I deal with people. 95% of Nigerians of Yoruba ancestry only a form of inflection, reflection, and affection for autonomy or independence of Yoruba land. Ibi tí pendulum yẹn swing sí láyé oníkálukú magnitude ẹ̀ ló yàtọ̀. Some don't believe in violence, that we can get it using what Yoruba nation has done over the century. Hey, notice wípé wọ́n jà war South Africa, wọ́n attack some other places in this thing. The Ibadan generals, these were generals who were never defeated in almost 200 years. The Ibadan generals signed a pact with the colonial this thing because they were wily enough to know we can negotiate ourselves to this thing. But I want to choose if it's for you, so I'm sitting there knowing Yoruba history. Where at your party go to we are too sophisticated.
Okay. I need to comply for now. I always promise to say where possible. It's just like the next slot, next Friday, inshallah, in the new year. Somebody is already.
I got me more one London for the next 1 to 1.5 months. This thing, people can bring further questions. Can speak to what we need to be doing, especially in the area of skills and enterprise empowerment of our youth. Because the work for Express Road, for almost 20 years, press in the federal government, and the near our youths who are underemployed, unemployed, and redundant. And you people are working in the diaspora, whilst like the Jewish diaspora, like the Emperor, like the Chinese diaspora, you can also live. Nigeria presents an opportunity for you to maximize your revenue.
All right, thank you.
I can speak to some practical things.
No, I mean, again, Muti Paramo, I will have to bring you back again because man like kí àwọn fan mi àwọn tí wọ́n gbọ́ yìí kí wọ́n ní enough time. Maybe next time around, I need láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ talk show of romancing àwọn àlejò wa. We just start question and answer. Bam. So for 2 hours, I'm sure by the time many people at least will get it. I thank you very much. I want to appreciate you and I also want to pray that ọdún tó ń bọ̀ ní another couple of hours ọdún ayọ̀ ló máa jẹ́ fún gbogbo wa. Mo fẹ́ fàsìkò ìdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti ń patronize one-on-one Ọ̀túnba Who lórí ìkànnì YSTV. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ download app Yoro app kẹ̀dẹ̀ tún share program yìí. Advantage ni pé it's not many people tó wà ní attendance nísìn nǹkan benefit ẹ lè share ẹ bá share lórí YouTube, Facebook àti Facebook àti gbogbo a ṣe ìtọ́jú message will still get to them because any tá a ní láti gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ gangan òun ni most of what is said and I'm making a promise I'm going to bring him back again. That will be the 3rd time, so he will have broken the record. And finally, Mufeso, I'm happy he said it. Obasanjo, as far as I'm concerned, and many people are now agreeing to that, is not anything than an ordinary Nigerian man. So an ordinary Nigerian man, yes, he was lucky to have been president 3 times. So, but as it is, we can make him redundant, we can make him irrelevant. Obasanjo Koloma decided to be Yoruba, so he's on his own to be thinking the whole United Nations might be Nigerians allow this and that. So again, God bless you all, and I want to wish everybody a very beautiful, excellent, happy New Year. May everything in 2022. Ati awaneti and Bumusoki can speak for everybody here. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Bola, it's a pleasure. We are going to work out another date so you can come. But then there won't be any romance. It will be question and answer. Thank you very much.
I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to your audience. I want to also thank them for the courage of character to look me straight in the eyes and ask me the 12 questions, tough questions. That is why we are sustainably prosperous societies. Tough questions must be asked people. Thank you. I'm honored and humbled for the privilege.
Thank you very much.